Today we are going to draw and color heart, which starts from the letter H. So the materials we need are a pencil, an eraser, a black sketch pen and some colors. So let's start. First we will make this shape and we will make the same at the other side. And now we will outline this with a black sketch pen. And now we will color this with a red color. Is ready. A heart is an organ of our body. It pumps blood to all the parts of our body and it is somewhat like this shape. Thanks for watching.